Yes, over there again on another life of vibe again. Don't tell them precisely it's a great way the gateway of all the sunshine we make. Hey, I want to take the time out to big up all the fans all across the globe. It's what I say, because at the end of the day, without the fans, we are nothing. So it's a big respect. Me there go and wait for the people them to log in and sign in and join in. I get to myself to make them know the timing. Go on with the vibe and give them some poems and give them some history about the movies and all of that. Camille, big up yourself, I get to me and say. I talk about the short movie that we have out right now, Jamaican movie by Amaziyah the Great, yours truly. By the way, this is Amaziyah the Great. Yeah man, want to check out the short film if you have not checked it out already. Searching for Keisha and Easter Bun, available on YouTube. I have some little clippings on my TikTok so you can go and kick back and go and watch that. You get me I say. But for now, I just go and well vibe with the people. I'm gonna chit chat somewhat. Because sometimes in a life we have to just vibe with the people and to make them know, say yes, we not just put up some videos and some images and that's it. We have to interact with the people because some people are too busy and not spend time with the audience, not spend time with the fans. But we're there. And as I say, today the day where I'm going to do some poems and I'm going to do some songs and talk more about the short movie than what we do, because at the end of the day I want to make this possible. Kimile, how me did say? Kimile. So it go, let me know if I pronounce it right, Kimile James, big up yourself and thanks for joining in on the live. You get to me and say, yeah man, so that movie that we see are going with a bag of things because now people are calling, people are text message, people are inbox, people are voice note. I really love what I go on. And I really love the fact that really I feel good for something what we do. You get what I say? It's a big respect right across the board. So I wait for a couple more people for joining and we start do the poem things. You see me I say? Do some poetry, talk more about the movies. But for short movies we have quite a few on YouTube, We have one named Stay Firm. And for everyone we are going to look for, you type in Amaziyah the Great and you will find my movies them online. You get to me and say if you want to see the movies them we do, you type in Amaziyah the Great with anything where you go right. Official Queen, big up yourself. Yeah. So me there talk about my short movie them. I see it going with some things on the TikTok. Put up some 1 minute sections. People love what I go and I really appreciate you guys who keep watching, keep sharing. I love what I go on and I really respect that. So me have to touch on the platform and tell them what I go on. Enough thanks, enough respect. You get to me and say Prince Jonas Smith, big up yourself, enough respect just the same. You get me? So they go always interact with the audience and make them know what I go on the journey. So right now, searching for Keisha, short movie, like I said, I'm going with a bag of things and people want more. So I just look out for more because we are going to come at with some more things where I really think say I go suit. We're not going to just do anything because I feel like so we can shoot anything. We're going to do some movies where we know so can inspire people, can touch people's lives, the whole 9 yards. But anyway, and not just movies alone, we do poetry and with the music. And you see, there are times in our life when we go through some things and we feel like so we are facing the worst. But I tell them this precisely. If there are times in life you do something stupid, nobody feel like say you are the worst. And there are times in life when I make some mistakes, nobody feel like say you are the first. Tom, when you did make some money, I'm tell you say emerge from then. Sufferation starts, see it, you not work again. The girl left you and gone, oh my God, she splurged my friend. I walked in your eye, them say it really hurt my friend. Careless girl out the road, so they're gonna call a jerk again. It's up to you, king, if you really want to go in a church, my friend. So the guns and load them out. Me don't want to hear say them your burst again. Learn from a mistake, are you still not the worst, my friend? There were times in life you do something stupid. Nobody feel like say you are the worst. And there were times in life when I make some mistakes. Nobody feel like say you are the first. The other day, this girl dropped out of school and for real, me vexed for that. Me dead by her side, I'm give her some progressive chat. Girl, time I get serious, get involved in some successful acts. Few months time she breathe, to rat it, too much sex to that. She don't know the pick the father end up on a few guests for that. Her mother kick her out of the house and say go look somewhere else for catch. She tell me she want dash to the belly. Me say no, you John are blessed with that. You have life, have hopes, success, girl, stretch to that. And there are times in life you do something stupid. Nobody feel like say you are the worst. I will live for times in our life for face it, you know. Bad picnic, big up yourself, Virgo. You get to me and say, so, but they have to tell the people them some more time in their life, man. You feel like say you face it the worst. You not face it the worst, all the people are face it the same way. So the journey continue. And the struggle go on and on and on. You have to just go and fight the fight. You get to me and say, PQ next, big up yourself, tell them precisely. As me say we there talk about the short movie them what we do, you know. Searching for Keisha at the latest project up on YouTube available. Only can go watch free. Someone to check that out and comment, load up the comment section. For my TikTok right now, I have some like a 1 minute. But I don't upload yet because some more part there for upload. But at the same time, I still going, you know, interact with them in between time, in the meantime. Because at the end of the day, they know say when I like the interaction something. I won't be the filmmaker for just put up the stuff them and them leave it at that and allow people to just look when them feel like. Some of the times them I go jump on the live and I go tell them about it. Some of the time them I go make sure telling and say, yo, go and go check out this, go and go check out that. Some of the time I go there in the inbox and ask what you think. I get them and say, so feel free to interact with me any day on one any time. You see me? So as long as when I get access to the thing and know what I go on, you see me? Whether I'm alive or whether I'm not. If you send a message, I will respond to you, you see it. So, we just go on with a vibe, that's what I say. And I make people realize what go on and what time it is. You get the fullness. Yeah, so. They are like me, I say. Big up all of the people who have been supporting, still supporting. Yeah. Yes. So me say it's all about the vibe, I'm keeping it lively. Amaziyah the great, me done tell them precisely. Aim for the top now, if no mighty, tell the dirty hypocrite them say try avoid me. I be moving on, no matter how them a chat me. Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, me see the heathen a watch me. God by my side, none of them can trap. I'm be skull to Amaziyah, change my name and step up higher. Live all like a Messiah, read a psalm, chant a prayer. Grumpy then a vampire, then we light them with the fire. Or take them funny guy, burn them with some tire. Women we admire like Alicia and Mariah. Women get required, looking good when them a tire. You hate and wish me die while I do that nigga wise up. Prosperity me desire, no way, me not retire. Moving on, no matter how them a chat me. Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, me see the heathen a watch me. God by my side, none of them can trap. Chatting about them rule, who them think them fool. Me waiting for the second when me hear the sound kaboom. So them bad me tell them cool. Wickedness resume, see it from afar, so them all getting doomed. You wish me not home, come on, that too soon. Me just a get warm, you still not hear the tune. Me just start to bloom, I'm afraid to take a zoom. If you think I'm hot, no, that's just my fumes. Moving on, no matter how them a chat me. Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, me see the heathen a watch me. God by my side, none of them can trap. Been so long since me sit down and wait. Now my blast off like a rocket in a space. I want to take some boy come and skin up them face. I try to compare because me don't have my space. Believe me, grieve me never have it easy. Suffer from a small, enough try to deceive me. Aim up the direction, step towards my dreamy. Enough a play yet true, they never get to mislead me. Moving on and on and on. Moving on and on, my God, I be moving on. No matter how them a chat me. Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, I see the heathen a watch me. God by my side, none of them can trap me. Some don't tell them precisely it's the great way the gateway while the sunshine will make air. So big up all of the people who are signing in and joining in. Yeah, man, we have to talk about the short movies that we are dealing with. Online, it's on YouTube, searching for Keisha. If you have not seen that film, go and go watch it. I suggest you go and check it out. And if you have seen Easter Bun, that's part one for searching for Keisha. So, yeah, you can go check out Easter Bun also. From when you type in Easter Bun movie or searching for Keisha movie by yours truly, Amaziyah, great. Yes, yes, yes. You will see it pop up in your YouTube search. You get what I mean? So, with all of that said, it's a good film. I'm not big up the entire team, you know what I mean? Big up the whole crew, everybody who participated in making that film a success. And we see the views, them are clapping up, counting. I get them and say, so big respect to Uno, especially who keep sharing, who keep commenting, who keep liking. I get them and say, love the feedback, something like that. With the feedback, it boosts the motivation more. You get what I say? And one of the feedback, I make you know what go on. We feel like say yes, continue this thing because it can't reach nowhere without your eyes. Without uno watch what go on, without uno talk back to we and tell we say yes, you know, me like this. It's like nothing at all because can you imagine if me put up a film and or a video, music or whatever, or a poem, man. Me not hear the feedback from uno. It'll look like say, well, it not connect. You get to me and say, but now the fact that me and say people are reacting to it, it make me say, yeah man, I go and do the do. You get to me and say, and you can't do without you. And that's the truth. Yeah man. So all of the people who are coming on the thing, all of the people who share the thing, enough respect, big respect. I really appreciate all of you. You get to me and say, Dave Smith, big up yourself. Yeah, man, me I talk about the movie that we have on YouTube and some of the clippings them up on TikTok. Yes, so I'm going to check it out further. You get to me and say, you can see the full movie on YouTube, searching for Keisha. Yes, yes, yes. And searching for Keisha, really, you know, some money that said, you know, them and a girl clown, but at the end of the day, enough of them trick themselves before a girl trick them. No joke, no dead anything. The one you see is just a movie, we don't really live so in a real life, you know, firm. But certain things, we just have to show to the world and make them understand what's going on, because some people feel to accept and understand the truth. Some people are living a denial and not see what's going on. You get to me and say, but we keep it real as daylight. You get to me and say, because we don't need to pretend on the thing, you get me and say. So, like we say already, big up all of the fandom all across the globe, and see, but just I go and do this thing, and I want to make me do this, because if I don't have an audience, it don't make no sense. You get to me and say, now that necessary, the films them are in demand and people want more of what we are dealing with. You know, I have a recent meeting with the whole team and I make them know what I go on, I show them the statistics and make them say yes, improvement there. You get to me and say, as I said before already, I'm not violate nobody, but you see, on a level, too much nonsensical things there out the road and I cause distraction. I deteriorate the youth, their mind. At the same time, we just go on do what we think say best for people, positivity, positive meds. You get them and say, Marvin, big up yourself, enough respect, thanks for joining in on the live. You get them and say, so the short movie them, I say, as I see somebody come and me have to mention because I don't know who here, you know. Lip up, bless up yourself. Oh, Little Pop, I say wrong thing. Little Pop 1, big up yourself. We are talking about the short movie them, you know. Them dead there on our TikTok page, and you can check out the fullness on youtube.com, Great Amaziyah. You get me and say, so, Jordan, big up yourself. Yeah man, BBC boss. The short movie them available on the channel that you see right now, the TikTok. We have some 1 minute sections, but check out the YouTube, and if you check out the YouTube, you never go wrong, you will see the fullness. The YouTube URL tag on the video. So from when you go check out, from when you type in the name in YouTube, you know, when we see the fullness of the film. Because I think searching for Keisha is about 50 minutes. While I have it on my TikTok as 1 minute, I'm still not put up the full thing yet. So the full thing is yet to be on TikTok, but as we mentioned before, everything we want to see up on the YouTube, but there's the whole thing there. You get to me, something I really appreciate. Who never see it yet, just go and go watch it and share it with a friend them. Go and make some comments. You get to me and say, Delton, big up yourself, Delton, for enough respect. For the short movie that we there talk about what we deal with. You get to me and say, on the YouTube page. So I say, Zelia, big up yourself, enough respect, thanks for joining in on the live. We are talking about the short movie them. You get me and say, so just go and go check out, go and go share with your friends, them go and go make people know what go on. See, pray and, you know, open and enjoy. You see me? Yeah, man. So, we are always continue the great films and films say, you know, if it not educate, it's entertain. But when I go shoot a short movie where I cause no confusion and conflict, I'll lay a big up yourself. You get to me and say, check out the short movie, them guys, check out the short movies. Tell me what you think, want to comment some more on TikTok because as I said, there are some local 1 minute, section of it on my TikTok. So once you watch them, tell me what you feel about them, share them with your friends, recommend them to other people because we still are going to shoot more scenes. Understand me? I said, Julian, Spence, big up yourself. Check out the short movies, them, share them with your friends. We have a whole heap of things we can entertain and educate in a way. You get me? I say, because when we go somewhere and put out a movie, you know, it's not just a movie and sake in a KK. You get me? I say, it's a movie for, you know, inspire and make people overs and make people wise up because it's an eye-opener type of vibe. You get me? I say, because enough of these guys, them come with these lies and them tell and one bag of confusion. You get me? I say, for a skin. You get me I say? So, them come with them bag of illusion and confusion and not try to trick on. But what we are doing in our movies, we are showing what go on. And if you see me do a movie where, like say for example, this current one we are going with some things right now, searching for Keisha. You might see me look all about for this girl who I say I love. See? And in a real life, alright, my situation different, you know. Cause some people ask me if I saw Keisha do me for real and real. No, me never have a girl named Keisha. You get to me and say? But I have a girl who feel like she could have grown me already. More than one of them feel like them could have grown me already. You see, pray. But my thing is, me not go in and one bag of walk up and down and look feel like say me either. You get to me and say, because if you understand the levels that we meet upon, and you're there around me, you understand the type of person me is. Or just make you go and do your thing until you feel like, say, you trick yourself for actually think, say, you trick me. And me just a laugh and just a look at you. So it's either me can stay with the program or joker, man. Big up yourself, good morning, blessings and respect. Check out the short movie, Searching for Keisha. You see, pray, Easter bun. Them that on my TikTok, you so you can so go on, and if you want to see the full thing, just go over to the YouTube and, you know, get some new views. Blessings and respect for everybody who join in. So as me I say, in the movie, I search for this girl, and at the end of the day, because part one tell her when I go hard for her, she's my sister's friend, and at the same time, I never want my sister to know because, you know, we try to keep it on the down low. So I say, so at the end of the day, she violated me and got cheat. See, and when she cheat, now she cheat with a guy who give her $10,000 one time. And a trick she get because pre this. Me I work $10,000 a week in the show. Because we are talking about show and we are talking about real life, and so don't get confused. But this and worse, and this happened to some boy who now learn, them now take heed, them now understand what's going on, and them now understand women and how they I say, because me I work 10,000 a week and me give her half of that. And me giving her half of that, she not satisfied. Ladies, someone have to learn how to satisfy. I want to see a man go hard. You have to understand, say, him a do him best, him a give 50% I'm earning, and then at the end of the day, him have youth, him have bills, him have all kind of things. I must love him, love and respect. Oh no. Somehow the woman very ungrateful, that me have to say. No disrespect to no females out there, but the fact and the reality of it is. You get to me and say, somehow don't appreciate. So, bam, she said she can't stay with me because what she tell me sister said, me live in a rent house and me only give her 5,000 a week. So this boy run in and sister here him can get her easy, him just promise her $10,000. And then when him give her, him promise her again. So ladies, think and learn. Because some boy out the road a promise them all these things and them can't deliver. You get to me and say, girlie, some boy out there promise the woman them one bag of things and them still can't deliver. And some of the woman them a move like them too greedy, them want everything like say them need it. You get to me and say, women to stay strong and independent. You get to me and say, no, this new boy, I push a car away and a fee. Because some boy got borrow a car for impress girl. I want to know that already. Enough of these guys out the road that impressionists. So, him go borrow a vehicle for impress a girl. Him promise her some go open bank account for her. Him promise her one bag of things. And at the end of the day, the promise not deliver. Him trick her again. And she trick herself, say, this man love her. She want $50,000. And what you think, one? The $50,000 what she want to give a man because the man promised her things and she feel like, say, she fi come page me for that money. Which she did in the show. So, me give her the money. And what you think, one? She said, honey, me get the money from the dummy. So she call me a dummy and she a the bigger dummy because she gets tired. Only if you know, say the man a criminal and look a bit after that, police, wally man. You know, me don't know what going on with she, cause you know it all over the news that she missing. Kim. While them a say, Keisha missing, you know, me all bout over your place. It's my. Thanks for joining, Miss Reed. Somebody all over the place, I look for this girl who me I say, me love. Walk up and down and boat in a Spanish town and I look for her with the flat bridge. Me there all over the place, everywhere in her, where I could have possibly can, as I could have traversed the earth. Seeing, reach a police station and I talk about it and when I check a stock, I don't know how I go on and look like so the policeman and are involved or something. Go and go check out the movie and see what I go on. Seeing, now, after all of that, yeah, cut a long story short, all the searching and you know, some man who say them there real with you, and this is how we go on in a real life, and enough guy who say them there with you as a friend, them not there. Them only there for, you know what you can do for them. You get to me and say, because look a bit after that, one of my friends them who say them there real with me, I am a pre for go deal with Keisha. And the next one I influence, because Rooster influenced Marcus, and I said, Marcus, yeah, you can go knock it. Which Marcus must get through with, so I say, Skywars, Marcus get through with my catty, and after that, I mean, well, before I really get through for God knock it, and I mean, come page, you know, and I say, man, the condom, I mean, not even think on me, I say, yo, my friend, that, me never like think, say, yeah, me, first thing I think, say, I'm not have no girl, you see, pre, but, yes, him knock it, and at the end of the day, I go say, I want to build with my ex, because birthday, I mean, I say, as I talk about that, you see that birthday is something ready. That birthday is something I say, if you don't notice, you know, every single time a female birthday come up, or Marianne, you can tell me if I lie, me I tell you, Mr. Wellington. Every time a female birthday come up, you know, realize that she posts up from the month before. I say, next month, my birthday. And when the birthday month jump in, she start countdown and I say, yo, 26 days away or whatever numbers days away, she start countdown till it reach 2 weeks, till it reach 1 week, till it, a matter of fact, from the first day of the month, she tell us, say, yo, she start accepting gifts. And breathe this. Tell me if me I lie, people. When she start accepting gift, she does a make sure you pre-know and pre-register all of this, And the funniest part of it is some of them they even remember you on your birthday. Them do the worst way. Them never remember say exist on the face of the earth. Yeah, that really hurt. But it goes for sure. After me God for this female and she still not even remember me on my birthday. My ex girl. Yeah. Like my ex girl was the best girl. She never liked my next girl. But cut a long story short now. When my ex forward in a tajay, she come with cake. She come with some little things, Skittles, chocolate, red wine and a bag of things and a beer things going in the night and she sleep over. How Keisha know what go on? Keisha with it missing all along Keisha missing. Keisha finally show up, broke buckle up on my place and knock up door and say, yo, let her in because rare. So at this show cut, that's where the movie stops. And people say the monster part 3. So me and Meds for go sort out part 3. So me and say Jermaine, ghost gambling. Ghost gaming, big up yourself. Yeah man, so at this side that we just go on do some short movies and put out for entertain the world. And we aim to take over the thing, because as I said, a lot of people out there come with the wrong concept and say entertainment and amusement that. You see me? But we're going to knock them off with a little difference. You get to me and say, so you eased off by talking and dropping another spoken word. I want to name The Bitterness. It's another poem. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk, I saw tears race down her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, I'm such a big disgrace. I quickly interjected, honey, what's wrong? And she yelled, get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same, cheat, lies, or take love for a game. I hate men forever, shoulda killed Trevor, yeah, put a cap in my brain. Baby, hold on, yeah, take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me, you can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9, it really shattered my mind. A decade after I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister, so I had sex with his best friend and WhatsApp him the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt, late to start attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor. Threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be a disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men. Her heart is now cold. I offered a hug. She squeezed me tightly, saying, thank you, Mr. Kirkland, for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV, the bitterness? So people, just check out my YouTube channel. I don't know, great Amaziyah. Yes, Gabby, bless. Big up yourself, enough respect. So another morning, I'm just entertaining with some spoken words and telling us to go check out the movie then. I have a bag of movie on YouTube, but I want to check in and get some new views. You get to me and say, so get into the groove, precisely. Tune into it like 7 o'clock news. Searching for Keisha, the recent film that out. Or you can see some 1 minute clippings of that on my TikTok. The full episode them up on the YouTube, youtube.com great Amaziyah. If you want to reach out and make a shout out and send a WhatsApp, it's 1876-477-6245. I want to interact right here, so follow me on Instagram and Twitter at precisely great. I don't know. You get to me and say music page on Facebook is Amaziyah the Great Music. I want to say right up at top here, so my name spell. I want to say Amaziyah the Great. See, so Oliver, big up yourself. Just go and go check out the new movie, Searching for Keisha. It's all over the place and people are talking about it. It are going to take over the place, and that's the main aim. We're going to just take over the place with short movies and spoken word, because a lot of people don't really respect spoken word. Another spoken word I have out there in a poetic format and in also short movie is My Name is Pam. So I'm going to list of what I have out as short movies, where short movies are concerned. I have the My Name is Pam. I have Camaria's Way. I have Stay Firm. And Stay Firm is an award-winning film. Stay Firm get a lot of awards. I get the message, get digital award. It got Best Director, Best Script, Northern Caribbean University at the Lignum Vitae Fest 2013. It got Jamaica Film Festival Award. So I'm going to check out Stay Firm with I Know by Amaziyah the Great. And when I write Stay Firm, that's write my name side of it, and you will see what I go on. You have Camaria's Way, CAMARIAH''S Way. Check out them films and support great Jamaican contents. None of them films that me tell about are nonsensical. You get me? These films are what they need for support, because them have things to teach the youth them. Them have things to make them meds. Them have things to make them learn. Camaria's Way, it's all about a young lady who did go through the struggles and her stepfather want abuse and use her. Want touch her certain places, and we have to tell our picnic them, say, yo, no to touch them. When you see some boy make some touch, make some alert, and some of the mother them a come take side with them man, and I say, yo, no, them man now do that. Listen to when a girl pick them, because some of the time them are telling you the truth. I want to ignore them. When you ignore them, I want them stay mute, and that's not cute. I want them to listen to the youths. Tell them precisely. Great way, the gateway. Melissa Smith, big up yourself. I'm going to run an next poem right now. And that's another short film on YouTube. My Name is Pam. Well, my name is Amaziyah the Great, but the show name My Name is Pam. I'm going to go check that out. Pam was sad and salty because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully plus a sour, selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, bitch, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who makes you and I'll break you, so go on if you want to try. The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, somebody called police. She was by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post, then suddenly start recording and virally shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day when Rob was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex, but oops, no protection. A few months later, she was pregnant. No baby father was around. Her mind went Googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her up and offered for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted, said he promised never to leave his side. Pam never had good education. She sold back juice to make ends meet. Few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life journey got intricate. She prayed and said, oh God, I can't take no more. A year after, she bought a car. Some people called her whore. She later furthered her education, Anthony, because she knew she wanted to sue her. No, Sasha, can you guess and tell me who is that janitor at her self-owned clothing store? So you see, Pam got through the struggles. And these are the things some people are faced and go through in a real life. You get to me and say, no for other woman I go through the domestic abuse and all of that. And you feel fit, come forward and talk. You get to me and say, Sasha, big up yourself and thanks for the follow. You get to me and say, I know I follow back. So yes, we are friends. Feel free to check out the content them from my page, you see, pray. You get to me and say, and check out what I go on and support the mission and the movements and go and share it with a friend them and make them know what I go on. You see me? So, why they have some women and go through these things? Because it is such a sad situation when men should be defenders of the females. Then become enemies. Boisterous beasts. You get to me and say? So, it's sad because I can't understand why so much abduction and so much violence against women. Some start to wonder, say, if some of them boy, if they're not straight, You get to me and say, because I can't see why uno go, alright, mafia grass, you know me and say I follow, because you say I follow, but at that time it's a private. So, free it up and nobody hide it. You know you avoid it. You get to me and say, I so I go on for felon. Felon, enough respect. Big up yourself. Alright, so I give back a follow. Enough respect. So, what me there talk about, the man them fear protect the woman them, yo. Too long, too often, so much seduction, too much abuse, too much seduction. Them things done right, yo. Them things that really pisses me off. It pain my heart. I have to rot. You get to me and say, because at the end of the day, the women them are the reason why we there right now. Sasha, thanks for sharing the live. If a woman, alright, me that consider women to be goddess of the earth. Then if another woman then when on a reproduction I go on. There's no me, there's no you, there's absolutely nobody at all. So when you kill off the woman, or not go to bed with on a gun, a next meal, cause same sex wrong. But me have to be careful when I talk about that something upon them part and them thing I can. The last time I talk about domestic abuse and violence, then woman TikTok them block me yo. And when TikTok give me a block me, I say, well, me appeal because I say I can't elevate people and I motivate them and I show them light with what I go on. And at the end of the day, I say nothing wrong nor false because men for stop abuse women. I don't care how some man want class some woman as idiot. And I don't care how some man want class some of them as ugly. Women them beautiful. You get to me and say, and for every woman out there, there is somebody for them. And if you don't know, so you don't want the people them girl pick the woman can try use and abuse and try trick them up. A full time the woman them start support some real warrior who they have to support them, you know. Because you see the truth and the truth of the fact is some of you are run down likes. And you now run down what is right. You get to me and say, some of you are run down the fakeness, so you now run down greatness. Words of wisdom in my mind me a feed. Marcus Garvey philosophy books me a read. Knowledge over war me say yes indeed. Vocabulary high out them can't stop my speed. Cause words of wisdom in my mind me a feed. I and Van Zandt summer books me a read. Knowledge over war me say yes indeed. Vocabulary high out them can't stop my speed. If you want to where you pass check books about the history. Books about the facts, the fiction and the mystery. Books about scientists who tell you about chemistry. Romantic novels make me get next to me. See, I'm not read enough fairy tale, them things I'm going to teach me picnic, but not a nursery rhyme. No, they can't come trick me. Cause words of wisdom in my mind me a feed. I and Van Zandt some more books me a read. Knowledge over war me say yes indeed. Vocabulary high out, them can't stop my speed. Yeah man, so more emphasize on the youth them for do just try penetrate some reading material. You get to me and say, reading material to the brain is like a feeding material. You get to me and say, stay conscious and wise and you won't be grieving it with materials. You see, pray. So, it's Amaziyah the Great. As me said, such man, big up yourself. Abby, Berry, big up yourself, enough respect. But still I tell them about the short movie, them on my page. People go and go check them out. Searching for Keisha is the recent film that I did. Big up to the whole entire cast. Big up the people who I like and I share and I support the movements. I will always be here chatting with uno, vibing with uno, interacting the whole 9 yards because at the end of the day I realize new love is here. You get to me and say, and when I say new love, you know, I not talk relationship type of intimacy. I talk about these type of things that we are dealing right now. And new love for uno because I'll be very thanks for that. You get to me and say me can follow you back real quick. Abby, what I say Ali? It's Abby Berry. Oh yeah. Abby Berry, big up yourself. Yeah man. So at the end of the day, I'm not always there for you interact with other people. It's not like I'm so super busy sometimes I can't give a time say yeah me I gotta be online at this particular time. But at the end of the day, whenever I can Me just pop up. Me no want telling us I'm go there at 7 o'clock every morning and I'm not there at 7 o'clock every morning because my settings is super busy. Me have a lot of things to do. You get me, I say, sometimes I'll be editing stuff, sometimes I'll be, designing flyers and the whole 9 yards, sometimes I'll be promoting stuff and sharing stuff. Sometimes I work on a new project just to send out the uno. So, the journey, I can't tell you about how it all began, like how I see so much of uno right now. So, I talk a little bit about myself who want to know more about me because some of you see me for the first time or they just follow me for the very first time. So enough respect, big respect, much love goes out to all of Uno. I may say this from my heart because without Uno, I am like a nobody. But now be like them and those. So whether they want to go back to see this recorded and members say me did say it has always been said because I've been this way ever since. Me are one of the youth them in Jamaica right now where I go so many different places and if me not telling you some travel that I never know. We've been to the United Kingdom and that was another journey. I meet an England girl up there who, hey, me have a song pan. Me have a song named Behind Bars pan YouTube. I want you to go check it out. Behind Bars. Amaziyah the Great. Me make an earpiece side. Me rather lock behind bars on a night. No, before me run this song, let me tell you what I go. I'm going to the saga. Because my life is like a movie, you see, pray. So I go, me there one place named Waltham Store. In a United, in a London, see? But more time, I'm there from Waltham Store to Bethnal Green. And if you live in England, you will know what I mean, you see? So I meet this girl from Peckham. One of my family make me talk to her via phone. And she want to know me like same time. And going to know her, I end up more than knowing. It's all about scorings. Stop playing like an innocent Christian child and go and look about this. And when they feel like a week, I'm pre this now. When me feel left, she feel like she's the next girl you had me I go. I say, yo, I'm not like that. Now, argument start for the first, and this was really surprising because, the first, when I sleep over the night, the morning I wake up to warm water, bath and massage and Johnson body, baby island, Ray. I say, yeah, I like this car. When I'm there in Jamaica, this not going. Pre this now. When I'm ready for left, she feel like, say, well, I cut for good. I have different girl in England. I say, no, nothing like that, yo. I go link one of my brethren on the phone ring, and when the phone ring, the phone hang up. When we reach back argument for the first start, I say, surprising me and say, yo, B, all this for this come in. And, me decide to me now going on one bag of yapping and cussing with her, Saying, so I left. And by the time I left and come back again, she say, yo, Craig, I don't like when you leave the house, so let's just make love and forget about the whole thing and blah, blah, blah. I say, yo, I shop them lock up. All kind of stores closed and I have no more condoms and ray. She say, yo, she don't care, she want it. And I say, yo, it not gonna work like that. I just knew like a week ago. See? It reached a level till it caused an argument and me feel left because I say, look like your mother, you not tell nobody. Seeing, she called the police them and say me harass her, which me never did because I know there's a violation something there. You don't know, so the police them running just like so them the right around the road around there, so them coming so fast, I was so frightened. And when the police them come, ask me my ID and all of that, show them my passport, them go check it out in them vehicle, because them vehicle so equipped. When them check out these things, them see some man straight. And them say, simple misunderstanding, sir, so what do you want to do? And I say, yo, I want to leave this place like right now. Anyway, me leaving, I go to Obama, I mess that song. Because I say, at the end of the day, she should never call the police for me, because I've never shouted, because, yo, you can't cuss from now till God come in there. You're not going to hear me and cuss you. You're not going to get me and fight you, especially me know say, me there in one country where me know say governed by, women laws, rules and regulation. Me try humble myself. But man, I'm not Spratt Morrison. That's what I say. Me rather laugh like me an idiot. You are a bigger idiot. But at the end of the day, The song when me write off of that, because some songs when I see me put out and some music, sometimes after experience, you know. You see me, I say, as I say, me keep it real. Me rather lock behind bars on a night with you. You too, sometime you slap me no like with you. A tip some madness in your mind fit you. Avoid me too, girl, bye-bye to you. Lock behind bars on a night with you. You too, sometime you slap me no like with you. You're rotting mud in your mind fit you. Avoid me too, bye-bye to you. We chat on the phone and me say hi to you. You never see me before, you say you like me too. Next day, you play say you invite me to. You never want me to leave me spend the night with you. Next day, you want me stay a week or two. You say me make the emotions that ignite in you. And I me the right man to put me pipe in you. Because me light up your world and make you lively too. You tell Kimberly and Kelly, me and the best one. The vibes you get from, the styles you get on. How me take long, you know want. And next man, you run with your ex-man and me your mind respond. First it was fun, and now it seems like crosses. Madness kick off, me don't know how that started. Like a sick in your head or you're too damn haunted. Come out and away, call me, you can't power with. Lock behind bars on a night with you. You sometimes you slap me no like with you. You're rotted mud in your mind fit you. Avoid me too, girl, bye-bye. Me no forget your kindness and hospitality. Me appreciate your generosity. Ever since me no like the animosity, your controversy, you can't par with me. My friend from Jamaica same day in London. Me tell him you go link on yourself in a ton long. You start call my phone, accusing me fine girl. Me couldn't take the argument, me try go a lose sham. Me come back past 12, you pursue to argue. You call the police and I say me assault you. Cops them arrive, you I said that me gone to excuse up my life, come and see where you want to. Where you want my girl, come get me then. Me no know Kelly good, you say me and look your friend. Or you off your mouth and disrespect me then. Let me tell her this girl, me rather fi spend times behind bars on a night with you. You too, sometime it slap me no like with you. I tip some madness in your mind fit you. Yeah man, go and go check it out on the YouTube. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, the neighbor. Yeah man, Mafia Graz. Big respect and thanks for that, man. So, a song there out on iTunes, Amazon, Spotify, Deezer, TuneCore, everywhere, all about. Everywhere, all major streaming, download platform. You get to me and say that going. Yeah, man. So, more than that. Yeah, man. Enough respect. Michelle, Antoinette. Blessings and respect. Yeah, so. At the same time, I always go telling us, remember the shark movie them, you know. So, as I said, we've been traveling for quite a bit. I want to try hype on people, no time. Right now, more time I beat the same, you know, slippers or dirty shoes. I'm in a business with people. I just go through same way. So I said, this minute you will see me, and you wonder what go on, if not, now go on. But I mean this minute you might see me right here, so next minute you might see me now in a different part of the world, and you wonder what go on or how me reach there. Yeah, but me reach there because of the mission and the journey. You get what I say? Yeah, man. So, folks, them in the United States might see me sometime soon again. We might visit Canada again sometime. We don't go Africa yet, but big up to the African people, we will be there once we have certain things up and running. We just want the pandemic up and over, because you don't know people for so are going and know what are going as it relates to truth. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. No quality stuff, for just insanity stuff. No review want to floss and chat about vanity enough. Life quality stuff is like them vanishing up, because me see them endorsing a profanity stuff plus politics stuff, them honest enough. Flipping Babylonian and kill humanity enough. The truth hot but hush. Brutality stuff over the years, it a reach the black majority enough. Why are we so blind to see the ones are hurting are you and me? And why can't we just live as one? United we fought, together we are strong. Me spend quality time elevating my mind. Me tell the youth, say, hey, like a war and crime. Babylon start crime. Now they want solve crime and them I tell civilians dial 119. Me fed up this time, I try lift me head up next time. But every day me get up I just war and crime. Why are we so blind to see? And that I can't take this no longer. Sufferation I get stronger. The system left me a wonder if I'm really going under. You know what? Juggling, struggling, my mind kind of puzzling. Nothing not going and depression keep bubbling. Hustling and bustling, it seemed like that's nothing. Man, now make no money, should I really try smuggling? Hearted, me feel haunted. And I mean them come fast with, should I be like Christopher Coke and become the most wanted? My thinking seems thinking, them wondering if me drinking. No, some are sober, perhaps I'm just the system. Can't take it no longer. Sufferation I get stronger. The system left me a wonder if I'm really going under. You ever hungry for 3 nights, your belly no feel right. Heart of sufferation a beat like steel pipe. Fed up now, and mama no feel right. Want some money but the boss not deal right. Face look so stressed, so ask I'm so vexed. They use them homeless, where is the progress? One thing me I go talk and this if you notice that the real revolution no really explode yet. I can't take it no longer. Sufferation I get stronger. The system makes me wonder if I'm really going under. Where's some mafia right now? Jamaica need unity, but right now, not there in the community. You get to me and say, I don't know what's going on, but the youth, them move distracted. Them move distracted and not moving on togetherness, people. It's obvious we now get proper policing because crime wouldn't get out of hand and shot a beating so hard. The system set up completely bizarre. This politics shit quickly need for resolve. Cause the youth them out the road and move really retard. Them have some rotted guns rip your pieces apart. Police want fight crime and need it for call. Crime stop. It not stop because the system a fraud. I can't take it no longer. Sufferation gets stronger. The system left me a wonder if I'm really going under. Mafia, too much crime and violence are going on. I don't know what going on. The youth, them look like them I realize all of the gangsters, them are go down the dirt. You get to me and say, look like them comfortable beneath the earth. Because as time evolves, a man for realize the badness don't pay. So it makes sense to straight. Because we all look for a brighter way, a better day. But it's really sad. You get to me and say, so in this time of pandemic, we use these devices and platforms to spread the message and the word. So it's really wise and nice to want to go and share it with people, make them hear it. You see me and say, because people understand how powerful them be or how powerful the mind is. You get to me and say, because some of them who claim so them are influencers, are influencing people them to do the wrong things them. You see me and say, them not try to motivate them and teach them truths and rights and how them can build as a team and how them can achieve together as a people. Everybody depend on this selfish thing and this fake thing, no matter of fact the food they want to eat fake. And them not realize that. You get to me and say, so a man think it so is he, so a man eat and them think there is he or her. You get to me and say, so people have to know these things. Too much crime, too much bad mind. The crime and the violence, we must get it out. Guns popping, don't stopping, every day busting out. War start now, can't part now when brains splashing out. People screaming, them weeping of tears dashing out. 13 years ago, Tom accidentally kill a friend. Him go foreign and come back and in their yard to chill again. Thought it was over, him pick up 6 of them over a decade now. And shots start to sing again. It's cold and bitter, innocent blood spill again. Them a call 119 and can't get rid of them. Mill of them have killer friends and none of them not grin again. It's kill or be killed. Now gunshots start sing again. Crime and the violence, we must get it out. We hear sirens and police driving with JDF. Them have some long guns carry them serious. In them face not smiling, AKs on M16 and on my face pointing. Hey boy, come here. Hey yo, and I saw them a class me. I'm a law-abiding citizen. But now I'm a Glock 40, so treat me with respect. Comprehend the compadre. Best if we investigate upon the problem I start this. Crime and the violence, we must get it out. If you diss me a day, that's the last thing said. Next thing we know, the whole place I run red. Shots more than 100. People lay a drunk dead. Is this a movie or reality? Cause I call it a dread. P.O.I. powered rifle. A little 38 shot me that. I hear that and tears drop. Some grab her and lay flat. Me call her the Johnny and me tell her baby stay flat. Really and truly, me don't want me getting a straight shot. Crime and the violence, we must get it out. The battery are done, so in the way I'm going out. Nice for Uno being here with we. Subscribe to the channel, youtube.com/great Amaziyah. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, precisely great. Like the page, Amaziyah the Great Music. Support the merchandise that I have online, Amaziyah the Great Collections, and follow me with that merchandise store at Amaziyah the Great Collections on Instagram. Nice for you to be here. Enough respect, blessings, and have a blessed day. I want to fact, I'm going to say I can go to respect real quick before the battery are dead. I mean, I like plug it in and use it. You get what I say? I don't want to abuse it. Let me try plug it in real quick. Because I really want to hear that poem, The battery up on 4% right now. Anyway. You're saying Boat got bronze in London and someone saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, Wally for negative remarks, yell out. Going to expect, show respect because history was created. America bow down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep a negative remarks to yourself and don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I said congratulations. You see, the problem I encountered every day with my own race, but mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneakingly, creepingly want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance frown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. I try to get her attention focused on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate but display more hate. Anger escalate, too much alarming crime rates. Your moral slowly deteriorates and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourselves. Remember you're not alone. Wagwan, can I get some love now? Oh, sorry. I guess you love your phone. Most of us don't understand how essential life is. We're still gonna waste time and don't know what time really is. If only we understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite, so why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hates? Can religion and politician make my people elevate? Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. Mafia grass, enough respect. All of the people them who join in, enough respect. I want to take the time out for big up my pick to them nation and Johnny, because I'm going to sign out right now. So, I don't want to run out and not tell you no thanks. I don't want to run out and not big up the people who need to big up. Naisha and John and the two pick to them, big up, enough respect right across. Sister them, brother them, in a foreign, yard and abroad, all over the world, my cousin them, family them, big up on yourself. Support the short movie them, Searching for Keisha. We have Camaria's Way, we have My Name is Pam, we have The Easter Bun, we have Stay Firm. Just go and go check them out on YouTube. And all of these spoken word I'm here talk about respect. Everything's up on YouTube. You can check it out, share it, support it. And one who wants to on my TikTok, you can go and endorse that to the fullest. Comment, like, share. Once you comment something that whether upon when you go TikTok or when you go YouTube, comment, show some love. Support the merch store. Amaziyah the Great Collection, as I said before. The songs are available on iTunes, Spotify, Tidal, all about. That's what I say. So, enough respect. I never know. I don't want to continue and this got cut off, so I might as well. Well, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to happy mood. I'm pitting them on my sister. Do this. Big up my sister quality. Always been pressuring, always been inspired me to continue to do these movies. So I'm going to continue. You get to me and say, she played the role in My Name is Pam, and she played my sister role in the Easter Bun movie and in the Searching for Keisha movie. Big up the whole team, the entire cast. And as me say, without Uno I watch the thing them, it's like it not reach nowhere. So give thanks to Uno who watch the movies, who watch the live, who share the music, the poems, the movies. You get what I say? Them never thought I'd reach this far, but look, they keep on open for Amaziyah the great shine bright like stars. Looking at them face, how surprised they are. 24 Private Road, Fraser's Content, Spanish Town, Jamaica. And there's some represent, designed for create rhymes. Brand new defense, excellent, quality, lyrically content. You can relate to my rhymes, me not chat no nonsense. Girls, them a smile, cause them like me accent. Me used to go to Intel Tech, well intelligent, me grow up featherbed lane. Experience hard, times in the garrison, know me independent, me have my label precisely. Great amazement, we go overseas, go endorse it, we taking it immense. Big up everybody who support my films and embrace my talents, because me alone, I couldn't do this all by myself. Them never thought I'd reach this far, but look, they keep on praying for Amaziyah the Great. Them say me I get to suffer, Rasta Lord be rich indeed. Artists and artists, I know the different seas. Spanish Town, Jamaica, me represent West Indies. People them rate me one of the best in season. Create good lyrics so my fans can listen these. Don't compile my composition, enough of them wish them deed. Uncomparable, that mean me in a different league, me knock you out to the different speed. Time after time when me rhyme, every time I spit them freeze. Now bother try for war, you get here splitting trees. Some things aboard through your frame if you have bad mind disease. Them never thought I'd reach this far. I'm in a happy mood, because we find happy groove, no bother showing a rotten mood. Attitude, show a look of gratitude. Some say them hard and then they know the core. Say them around yard and then they know the shores. When I run down hype and you fi know for sure. I'm like you said, I'm gonna bowl for gold. My music soothe and explore your soul. Get you in a happy groove, make her dance the floor. The girls them like just the way I'm roll. Plus I have the story will never be told. I'm in a happy mood for the girls them. Listen, I like the girls and the girls like me. That's what they're saying precisely. I like the girls and the girls like me. We get girls just like 1, 2, 3. I like the girls and the girls like, hey, Stacey check I-man, some mercy in her mind, and she really rate the grade, cause me seem like a nice one. She rate I-man, I-1, she run away Simon. She don't want nothing small, no, she want the size long, 9 long up in her aisle tongue. She get the teal on the seal, posturpedic dive on. I-man, I-1, she want on her island, me light up her roll and make it sparks like diamond. I-man, girl, climb on me no wine, and if me can't get no girl, then me rather go buy one. Nice one, tight one, ugly or hype one. Give me girls from Jamaica, go straight back to Taiwan, cause I like the girls and the girls like, yo, girls here about Amaziyah never know that me so great. Them a search I want to find which part on earth me locate. Someone to be my friend, someone to be my soulmate. Girls want to get with me and my associates. They become check me. All the way from Tollgate, you should have seen how she go on the thing and a rotate. Send it up further than my thirst to floatate. Love is the girls in a shorts with round shape, clean hygiene, breath fresh like Colgate. Girl, I'm looking splendocious, have them on a showcase. Give me the girl into my diving, in my whole state. Cause I like the girls and the girls like me. Yeah, man, some of that for going to something for the ladies, them tell them precisely. It's the great way the gateway while the sunshine we make. Thanks for joining the live. Thanks for sharing this. And say after this month, and continue share. Make the world see and hear. But tell them precisely the great way the gateway about the sunshine we make. We tell them say we fill the youth, their mind and thoughts with positive meds. You get to me and say too much negativity, too much confusion, too much destruction, too much illusion. And we tell them say, yo, support the movies them. Check out my page, you know, so I go on to understand what I mean. Check it out on YouTube. Drop some comments. Sash, big up yourself, Sasha. Enough respect. Yeah, join in when we're about to leave. But thanks for signing in. Tell them precisely. Great way the gateway while the sunshine we make. Big up all of the fans, them right across the board. Enough love. If I not honor, there's no one say the great. So me have to say I really appreciate. You get to me and say, better me say it. I'm going to hear it and rate. Tell them precisely. I really don't want left, but me have to go because I have a bag of things to go on with, and then the youth them know I forgot join them online class 8:30, although I 8:01 now, but I go get something up and running for them, so you know so them can have something before them start learn. Tell them precisely. Yeah man, so we will link sometime again. But check out the drop some comments all who the day in the live. Drop some comment on my YouTube and drop some comment on the TikTok shorts them when I have up. You get me and say, it was a pleasure being here. I enjoy being here and I will always be here.